Ladybugs, those adorable little beetles with vibrant colors, are more than just garden dwellers. They have a surprising array of hidden talents and fascinating behaviors. Here are 11 little-known facts about ladybugs that will change the way you see these lucky charms. 1. They're masters of disguise, before they even hatch. Ladybugs don't start out red with spots. Their eggs are actually yellow and often cleverly placed on the undersides of leaves, a perfect camouflage to avoid hungry predators. Once they hatch, ladybug larvae are elongated and spiky, resembling miniature alligators, and come in a variety of colors depending on the species. 2. They're tiny aphid-eating machines. One adult ladybug can devour over 50 aphids a day, and up to 5,000 in its lifetime. This makes them incredibly beneficial insects for gardeners, as aphids are notorious plant pests. Ladybugs are nature's built-in pest control, keeping gardens healthy without harmful chemicals. 3. They play dead like champions. When threatened, ladybugs retract their legs and play dead. But they don't stop there. They also release a foul-smelling, yellow liquid from their leg joints that tastes terrible to predators. This double whammy of a defense strategy often convinces attackers to find a tastier meal elsewhere. 4. They have a secret weapon, reflexive bleeding. This one's a bit gruesome, but fascinating nonetheless. Ladybugs can actually bleed from their leg joints as another defense mechanism. This reflexive bleeding, called hemolymph, isn't red like our blood, but a yellowish fluid that contains distasteful chemicals to deter predators. 5. They can forecast the weather, sort of. Ladybugs are more active in warm, sunny weather. This means that a sudden decrease in ladybug activity might indicate an approaching storm or colder temperatures. Not exactly a meteorologist-level prediction, but a neat little observation for gardeners. 6. They can fly, but not like you think. While ladybugs have wings, they aren't the most graceful flyers. Their wings are tucked away under protective wing covers, elytra, and can be a bit cumbersome to unfold. They tend to take short, jerky flights, often getting blown around by wind currents. 7. They talk without words, through smells. Ladybugs communicate with each other through pheromones, chemical signals they release into the air. These messages can attract mates, warn of danger, or even help them find food. It's like a silent language only ladybugs can understand. 8. They can live through winter in huge groups. Come winter, some ladybug species gather in large groups, sometimes in the thousands, to hibernate. They huddle together in sheltered areas like rock crevices or hollow logs, keeping each other warm and safe until spring arrives. 9. They don't always have spots. While red with black spots is the classic ladybug image, there's a surprising diversity in their coloration. Ladybugs can be yellow, orange, brown, pink, or even all black, with varying spot patterns depending on the species. 10. They can be cannibals, but not always. In times of scarcity, ladybug larvae may resort to eating other ladybug eggs or even smaller larvae. It's a harsh reality of survival, but thankfully, it doesn't happen all the time. 11. They have a special fungus friend. Some ladybug species have a fascinating symbiotic relationship with a specific fungus that grows on their bodies. This fungus helps protect the ladybug from harmful parasitic wasps, making it a win-win situation for both partners. So, the next time you see a ladybug, remember, there's more to these little beetles than meets the eye. They're nature's tiny warriors, complex communicators, and even weather forecasters, in their own way.